Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, my vibrant beauties. I'm your girl Letty, and today we're gonna do this beauty right here. Now I know I look crazy because yeah, I'm not trying to get anything on the foundation that I've already done, and I've already put my base down, but I know I have to blend it out a little. And to blend it out, I was using the, let's see if it's gonna focus, the BH Cosmetics Dome Brush. First, I'm going to go into the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friendcation palette, and going to choose this color right here, which is, ooh, what is that color? Churro, I believe. And go a little bit above my crease with, this is the Melt Cosmetics, I think it's just the crease brush, but it's this brush right here. And then to intensify, because that just, I was just putting it down, I'm gonna go in with a Morphe R41 brush with that same color, and I'm going to put that, like, pack it in. Once this packed in, I'm going to take a Morphe M562 brush right here. It's not showing the brush at all. There you go. Take that same color and just blend out the edges. With the same M562 brush, I'm going to go into the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette and choose the color Vivid. It's like an orangey brown. It's this brown right here. And blend out the edges of that color a little bit more. Then I'm going to go back in with that Morphe R41 brush with that same color Churro from the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, and deepen up the crease a lot more. Then with a Morphe M454 brush, I'm going to go in with the color Cheens from the Desi Katy Friendcation palette, which is this color right here. And I'm going to use that to deepen up the crease and the outer edge. Now you can just leave it right here, but see, me, she, her is looking for a little color. So I'm going to go in to the McGrath Mothership 5 palette. This beauty, it got hand marks all over it. And going to choose the color, it's this color right here. I know it looks white on camera, but it actually is like this pretty gold color. So I'm going to take a MAC. Ooh, the number has rubbed off. 242 brush. Just this brush right here. and dip into that color. Use some MAC Fix Plus, yeah, and spray my brush. I like to dip into the color and then spray my brush, as opposed to spraying my brush and dipping in color. And then go in the inner third of my eye, like so. Look at that. I don't know if you all can see it on camera, but look at that. It's like this gold flecks. And then I'm going to go into the Friendcation palette and choose Dirty Money, which is this color right here. It's like, I don't even know how to say it. It's dirty money, basically. Dirty, it's like a dirty green. I don't know how to explain it. It has a lot of gold flecks in it. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to dip into the color, spray my brush, and I'm using the same MAC brush. And just go in the center with that color. Like so. Oh. Like. Why you do this to me? And then I'm gonna go into the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette and choose. I have the little sheet. Inspire. Hope I inspire y'all with this look. And it's this green color right here. Spray with some Fix Plus. And go on the outers. You're just too good to be true. Why? I'm gonna blend out the edges. Going to take the Melt Cosmetics Fortuna Ultra Matte Gel Liner. It's like this. Let me open it up for you. And line my line. Do a wing liner with this. I cannot talk. I'm using 2 brushes to do a wing liner because I'm special like that. I'm gonna take the MAC 253 brush. It's like an angled brush, and do my wing liner. Then going to take the Morphe M250-0 brush and line the rest of it. Like so. Then gonna go in, I'm gonna do my lower lash line now, and go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Chaos. It's this color right here. And go under my eye. Then with a pencil brush from Melt Cosmetics, I'm going to take the color A Moment. Am I going to take that one first? Yes. I'm going to take the color A Moment and do the outer portion. of my lower lash line. So and then I'm gonna take Dose of Colors Block Party, this beauty right here, and go on the inner. Then going to take that M562 brush in that vivid color and just blend out the undercarriage of everything. Just something quick. I don't want it to stray away from the color. With a JH39 brush, I'm going to go in the inner corner of my eye with the, I don't know what color this is. I think it's a Rose Moment or a Rose Gold or something like that from the Pat McGrath palette. It's this color right here. And go on the inner corner. Ooh. I think just cause I'm gonna go in with the ILuvSarahii and Dose of Colors palette, which is this little beauty right here, and take the, what color is that? Wanderlust? Is that Wanderlust? I hope that's Wanderlust, but it's this color right here, and use a Morphe M213 brush and use that for my brow highlight. She look cute. Going to use my Milk Makeup. My Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I have a mini one for myself. And coat my top and bottom lashes. And going to apply my lashes off camera. These are the Lilly lashes in Barcelona, and then I'll be back to show you the final eye look. This is the final eye look, you guys. I am like loving this eye look. The blues, the greens, it's just makes me happy. Let me know if you try this eye look. Tag me in IG, Vibrant Butterfly MUA. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. With that being said, Letty out.